welcome to the channel. This is Isaac with Where Are We Going? Today we're doing a very special tour of the Roadtrek Chase 50 for their 50th anniversary in the RV industry. And joining me today is Mary from Fred's RV. You would be remembering her from previous videos that we did together, and she's here today to take the tour on. So let's go ahead with the tour.
Hi, I'm Mary from Fred's RV, here to introduce the all-new Chase 50. Yes, it is 50 years for Roadtrek. So this is their 50th anniversary edition of the Chase in the sage interior and the beautiful silver exterior. This is built on the Ram 3500 chassis. Absolutely beautiful. They've done a nice job here with this update. This step goes in and out when you open and close the door, or you can leave it out in cam position. But look at that step position. So nice, big step. Comes out when you open the door. Can do that on all sides. So great entry into the coach, and nice and low, not too high. So we come around the front of the coach. It's the beautiful Ram with the Roadtrek windows at the top, and it looks beautiful here with the fog lights and the LED headlights. Coming around to the side of the chassis, again, we have this nice step. When you open that driver door to enter, you get a nice big step for stepping into the unit. This is built on that 3500 chassis, and it does have the adaptive cruise control and the blind spot monitoring and all the safety features you'd be looking for in this unit, along with the rear view observation camera. So absolutely perfect. Your fuel door is right here, and it does take regular unleaded fuel. You do have the Truma system in here. So you have the Truma AquaGo hot water heater, which is a tankless hot water heater. You have the Truma heat and also the Truma air conditioner. So fully equipped with the Truma. And here is the macerator. This is specifically Roadtrek, the only B van doing a macerator. So this does have a black tank and a gray tank. You're just going to put your macerator, the head, into the ground for the dump to get rid of your waste. Push a button and it's going to pump and grind it out into the waste station. But you do also have a traditional 3-inch dump if you prefer that traditional way of dumping your tanks. Roadtrek also giving you a nice outside shower here on the Chase 50. This gives you hot and cold running water, perfect for cleaning up before you head into the coach if you're all sandy from your adventures. And then you have the 360 doors that come all the way around. You also will store your tabletop right here, so they think of everything. The storage is perfect here. Coming around to the back, you have a nice open area here with the 360 doors on both sides. You have lots of storage in here in both sides of these compartments. Big storage all the way back. These are the panels to fill in here for the bed, if you want to make it one big bed. As you can see, we have the top popped up now. So you can lounge here, watch TV, and relax on this, or you can lay flat when it's time to go to bed, whatever you prefer. Down here, we also have the 3,500 pound hitch that will tow 3,500 pounds, or you can put a 350 pounds of weight on that hitch if you're going to put a bike on there or something. You do have your cable connection and your 30 amp shore power connection and your fresh water connection right here. So everything is real convenient here at the back of the coach. You have a big roll down screen, so you can have the back doors wide open, the side door wide open with a screen, and all the big beautiful windows in here have screens also. So it is perfect. Beautiful LED lighting throughout this coach, make it warm and inviting, and those are all dimmable lights too. And the beautiful sage cabinetry in here that's a special edition for the 50th anniversary. As we come around the side here, we have another Chase 50 markings for their 50th anniversary. They've been doing it the longest and doing it the best, Roadtrek has. We do have a nice awning here, 13-foot awning that comes out from the side of the coach. It does have legs that come down, so if you want to keep it from blowing around, you can certainly do that. And then you have a nice big wide opening door. Your liquid propane connections are right down here. And your propane in here does run your AquaGo hot water heater and your heat system. So your heat and hot water run on propane. Again, we're going to step into the coach on this nice large step. And as we step in here, we do have our lagoon table set up here. This is set up so you can have a nice little workstation. If you're working here at the counter, you can flip up the extension and you have a nice little workstation here if you'd like that. And the other option is you can sit here in the chassis, and this can be your computer desk. So while you're sitting here at this chair when it's spun around. Both chairs do spin in this chassis also. As we come into here, we have a nice size bathroom. Look at this beautiful bathroom. And I know everybody likes to see you step in, see how big this bathroom really is. So it is comfortable. It has a nice size shower. But when you're in here, you can take this little hook and you can close it just like this. So you have extra elbow room while you're in the bathroom.
I'm 5'9" and I have plenty of space. Probably if you're 6'2", 6'1", you still will have enough space here to shower. The curtain is right here. So, and just like Mary explained earlier, when you close these doors partially, you have so much more elbow space here to move around and wash your head. And if you're one of those that would like to sit down, then you can sit and shower right through here, and it's still very, very comfortable. And you have this little sink here, and I have plenty of legroom if I'm going to do my number 2 business up here. So it's not claustrophobic at all, especially again with this partially closable door that Roadtrek enables to create more space in such tight quarters. So I'm very, very happy about it. There's plenty of elbow room. This is a pass.
It's always good to have extra elbow room. And then you have a nice light in here and the shower head. This looks so clean and put together well. No seams or anything. It's beautiful with the little sink. And this is that sage green color, the new color for this year with Roadtrek. It's beautiful. There's sage green on the cabinetry. You get this nice wood grain, the white wood grain here with that. They do offer 3 color options. This just happens to be the sage, which is the special edition for this year. Coming back into the kitchen area here, we have a beautiful sink here with a cover. This nice quartz countertop with the sparkle in it. It is absolutely beautiful. Your sink does have the option for a sprayer, and it does have makes a sprayer and moves that in and out. So you get good for washing dishes. You have a nice induction cooktop here. So this isn't making heat inside the coach. Induction's just heating the food inside the pan. So that is lovely to have in a B van because you don't want to make that extra heat. You have a 110 outlet here, a good sized drawer. And down here you have lots of shelving, 3 shelves in here, and then more shelves over in here too. They think of everything. Coming around over here, look at this large pot drawer. Pots and pans can go in here. It's nice and sturdy. You're not going to lose the bottom of the drawer. They build a great quality product. And these all have positive latches, so when you're driving, they're not going to open up. And here we have that lovely pantry. So much space in here for this pantry, and you can fit a lot of items in here. And again, has the positive latching system, so it won't open up while you're driving. And they have a nice 12-volt refrigerator here. Beautiful space in here with some pull-out drawers at the bottom. Good size 12-volt refrigerator. And this will cool down and be ready for you. Oh, it's already cold in there. Somebody has the freezer on. It'll be ready to go in an hour for you. So keeping your getting your food ready to go on your trip in an hour, you'll be ready to go in there. Nice microwave up here. Has a nice dish in there. It spins around, cook your food evenly. And a nice splash guard here. This is beautiful as we come back into the living area. So you have, this can be your sofa. You can sit here and have a conversation. That lagoon table can mount here also. And then you can relax using this with the adjustable headrests, or you can put it down flat like you have here. You do have a TV back here also, which does come out and swivels around so you can watch it from either side. We have large storage compartments with nice hinges all the way through here.
And I have to admit, they're very deep.
They're very deep.
I
can't reach the back.
Okay. Yeah, it's very deep and it goes all the way back.
Lots and lots of storage.
This much storage in a Class B. It's something to talk about.
That is. And then in here, they do give you some hanging storage, which everybody's always looking for, somewhere to hang some clothes when they're traveling. And you can add some shelving in here or something if you prefer, but it does give you the option. So it's nice to have that. And then down here, we also get a couple of these drawers. Good sized drawer here to store some things in. So you have 2 of these drawers down here. And then this is where the table's going to mount. So you have options for that. So we do have a full storage compartment right underneath here. Look at that. And that's your shades for the front windows. And you have good size storage there.
Full chest.
It is. It's like 3 feet long or longer and really deep. So that's perfect. Now you can make this into the king bed also, but this is nice when you're sitting here. You have a couple cup holders in here. You can sit and rest your arm on this if you're using it like a sofa. So very versatile, beautiful coach here. We do have nice size windows here with the screens. So you can have either the screen or the shade on these, either side. And this is nice insulated shades that protect you from the heat or the cold, depending on what kind of weather you have outside. We also have the Truma Aventa air conditioner. Now this Truma Aventa will run on the battery power in this Roadtrek. Roadtrek's been doing the lithium for the longest, and this year they have 600 amp hours of lithium with a 3,000 watt inverter and 300 watts of solar on the roof to keep all that going. And you also have an under the hood generator that'll recharge those batteries when they start to get low. But this air conditioner, being the Truma Aventa efficient air conditioner, can run for 3 to 8 hours depending on the weather outside on just the batteries. So it's a beautiful 50th anniversary chase.
An area to dine. If you don't want to use the sofa, you can actually sit across each other, or this is your office space. Exactly. It's great. And then I see more shelves and
you have your
the pizza oven, pretty deep.
And then you have storage up here above the chassis. And it is beautiful. It is nicely put together. Roadtrek did a great job on the 50th anniversary because they've been doing it for 50 years. They know how to do it right. We also have the Firefly up right above the door here. That's going to run the whole coach for us. So the Firefly does run the lights, tells us our tank levels, turns on our water pump, turns on our water heater. It tells us we turn on the inverter here, tells us how much power we have in the battery and what the temperature is, and also where you can turn on your air conditioner and your heat right here in the climate center. The lighting, all of the lights in here are dimmable. So everything you see with the up and down arrow is a dimmable light. You can turn them all off or all on right from this screen also. And everything is at your fingertips with this. Here's also the control to turn the step on so it doesn't always go in and out, but you can leave it so it goes in and out when you open and close the door. And then there's another lovely roll down screen here so you can get in and out of the coach or have the air come in. But if you want to get in and out easily, it just has a magnetic strip here that keeps it, that you can get in and out with. And then it is Velcroed at the bottom if you have a pet you want to keep inside. So that's nice to have all that air flowing through. And we have a whole house fan up here. So this is going to, if you open your windows and you have your screens open and you just have the air flowing through, it's going to draw a lot of air through the coach and make it very comfortable, even on a day like today when it's 90 degrees.
And this is the cover for the TV.
Correct.
And this is the same theme as the rest of the...
Right, so it has the beautiful cover on it, and it does have this matching cover. All the Roadtrek always gives you a little cover to cover your TV so it doesn't get scratched or anything while you're driving. And again, this does have that nice swivel mechanism so you can pull it out. You could even turn it around and watch it from the front of the cab. So that TV is very versatile.
And I see another
Firefly.
Firefly.
We have another Firefly screen here, duplicate of what we have up front, so it does all the same functions here that we have up front. And we also have a speaker here, and we have a 110 and a 12 volt plug and a USB plug here. So you have all of those right back here. And then we have the same thing on this side, speaker and the 110, the 12 volt and a USB and an extra USB port right down here. So you're never at a loss for power in here, especially with that 600 amp hours of lithium.
So Mary, if anybody wants to get themselves in a camper van like this, the 50th anniversary, how do they get one?
They could come to us at Fretz RV. We'd be more than happy to help you out. We're in Souderton, Pennsylvania, and our phone number is 215-723-3121. And my name is Mary Stevens. I'd be more than happy to help you out.
So that's it. You have this beautiful tour of the Roadtrek Chase 50. Get yourself in one of those beautiful Class B camper vans. Call her today and let's see you on the road. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next one.